Hello everyone! It's great to see you again, and welcome to today's tutorial. I will show you an easy setting that can make your work experience even better. The Quick Access Command Key. Let's get started. Go to the Home tab, click Customize, and select User Setup. When the User Setup window appears, open the Keyboard tab. Find Quick Access Commands under Category, then select Recently Used Commands in Commands. Press the shortcut key you want to assign, then click Assign and Close. Now the Quick Access Command Key has been successfully assigned. In this video, I'll try using the Frame Surface command. Let's test it out. Go to the Easy Modeling tab and select Frame Surface. Create a surface in the wireframe. Press the Escape button to close the command. Now, let's use the Quick Access Key. Press Shift and R to activate it. You can see the command window appears instantly. Let's get this job done. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.